And them there too.
I really want to like jump over it, but I think I'll die.
Good chance, mother.
My pants might set on fire.
Are you done?
I don't trust it. Whoopla. I don't know if I trust it because it's still smoking.
Yeah, let's just stand away from that for a second.
I just dropped the lighter.
God damn it. It's on video. It will be immortalized forever.
You see a thing, okay? Oh, there's another one of these things.
Yeah, I have 3 of those.
Sidewalk to the
2.
rescue. Bro, it just took out that.
Oh, a lot better than the first time.
Yeah, it's less mangled.
We weren't filming for the first time, but the other one was literally torn to bits. When we did that, the bottom and top were falling out.
Safety. Wind.
Wait till these people go by. Never mind.
No, we want to see it. Come on.
Okay. We have an audience now.
Come on.
You guys should have showed up a few minutes ago.
Oh,
That was a good one, Code.
Yeah, you guys should have shown up a few minutes ago for that.
that one was cool.
Was it a good one?
It filled up the entire street.
Oh, sweet.
That one was shorter. Not
Yeah,
as
yeah, it
long.
was. It seems the one we messed up did more.
Yeah. Hasn't been shot off. Nope, they're all been used. That's really hot. So is that one.
Yeah, see, look.
They're all real
Let's just show you. This one, bottom, top. This one, this is what it looks like when we put it down.
This thing has a lot of weight to it still. I bet there's a lot of black powders left in this. There's a lot of weight left in it. Got you. Hey, Cody, safety first.
You failed. Put it back there. Let's gather these.
Oh. I think I've found fire. I don't want to light that.
Before we
'cause
get
I will
in any
die.
bad ideas, let's put these back in the bag. Get out the
There's
other
a
ones.
lot of powder that hasn't gone off yet still in there.
Maybe it messed up or something, but it was still cool.
Yeah. Hot.
Dude,
Bro,
nailed it.
I did it.
Okay,
Now we have these two.
I have
little babies.
idea.
What?
I'm gonna set off this one,
Mhm.
or we're gonna light all 3.
Oh, 3. There's only 2.
I'm gonna put 2 smoke bombs next to it.
Oh, sick. Okay.
See if it'll light up the smoke.
The smoke just sets on fire because it's flammable for some reason now.
Apparently.
Okay, so give me this smoke.
You're gonna hold this.
Give.
I'm gonna light
Hey,
all
give.
3.
Give. Thank you. We have to do that. Remember? Give. Give and take. Okay. All right. Wop. Whippity woppity. And then smoke bombs. We put 2 here. I'm gonna light the smoke bombs first, and then I'll light the other ones. And then run. Because this is a safe idea.
Here,
In
let's
fact,
just.
over that way at my friend's house, they're doing stuff because their dad makes homemade bombs.
Okay, how about hold them? Damn it. My plan was you hold that. I was gonna dual finger the smoke bombs, light them. You're fast enough to set it down. All I have to do is back up and toss the smoke bombs.
That's not the safe thing to do, though. That's how you burn your fingers off.
No, it'll be fine.
No. Give me the smoke bombs. We're gonna do.
That was just the one I reached out of my pocket and grabbed. Yellow and purple.
Dude, what a great combination.
With yellow and red, apparently.
Alright.
I don't think this is gonna work in the slightest.
Once it starts smoking, I'll get the other ones.
Oh, it worked.
The sparks freaking.
It kind of worked.
you shouldn't have double-handed that because freaking a spark came and freaking.
The
burned
wicks
me.
would have been up.
Alright, I need to get the other one. Nope. Can't get the smoke bomb, damn it.
Oh, whoa, what the hell? This one's different.
Holy shit.
This one's fighting back. Why was that one different?
Some of them are really long and some of them are really short. It's still a smoke bomb.
We're just gonna set that off right here. Yeah.
Shit, dude, when the sparks hit you, dude, it burns you. It melted my skin. That shit hurt.
It melted my skin.
Shit hurt, dude.
Oh, I was hoping for a better purple.
This is yellow.
No, this is the purple one.
No, this is the yellow one, I thought. Dude, that smoke smells so bad. It's so bad for your lungs.
Okay.
Alright.
Part 2, idiots with fireworks.
Bro, I can ask Will if we can go over to his house, so they got bottle rockets.